Namaste. Welcome to our today's housekeeping session, that is evening turn-down service. I, Rajiv Kumar, is going to explain the step-by-step procedure of evening turn-down service. Evening turn-down service is given in the evening to the guest for making his room comfortable for sleeping. So, as you can see, we have given turn-down service today. So, in the next video, we are going to show you what are the different steps which we are going to follow to make a good evening turn down service to the guest room.
Housekeeping. Enter inside the room and put the cookies and ice bucket safely on the coffee table. The floor mat which is in your hand, keep it on the TV cabinet and move towards the window to draw the curtains. Here, as you can see, the sheer curtains are already drawn, so we will draw the heavy curtains. Now we will remove the extra runner and cushion from the bed. As you can see, the room attendant is picking up the bolster and the extra cushion and moving towards the cupboard area. Here he will put the bolster and cushions inside the cupboard. Now as you can see, he is folding the runner and he will pick up the runner and the other bolster and cushions from the bed. The room attendant will take the other bolster, cushions and runner from the bed and put it inside the cupboard. As you can see, the room attendant is turning the duvet and making a clean turn down fold. Now he will turn the duvet into 90-degree angle. Make sure the turn down fold should be clean. So the rest part of the duvet which is left, he is tucking it inside the bed. Now he will fluff the pillow and lie down the pillow. Place the foot mat nearby the guest bed and place the slipper on the foot mat. Take out the slipper from the slipper bag and put it on the foot mat. As you can see, the room attendant is nicely doing the work of placing the foot mat and the slipper on it. Now the room attendant is placing the BNB card, weather card and the flower on the bed. Now he is going to place the TV remote and the AC remote near the bedside table of the guest. Enter inside bathroom and check the WC and the garbage. If there is any garbage present in the dustbin, so you need to remove that garbage from the dustbin. Now the room attendant is checking each and everything. He is checking whether the area is cleaned or not. Now he is coming out from the room. He is putting the laundry bag and laundry slip on the table. Finally, check the room once before coming out from the room. As you can see, the room attendant is checking each and every area and the standard of the hotel. Now switch off the lights and come out from the room.